Alright, so this is Team 16. My name is Sam. I have Jack Beery, Krithika Subramanian, and Madalsa Iyer, and they're all taking their AP exams at the time, so they couldn't join me today. But this is our marble sorter, which works, but the thing is, these three gates, don't work synchronously with each other. Basically, where these servos, we made sure that they work, but the problem is, I think it's in the code, basically where, just like if it's a motor, I can just start and stop it at the respective times, but this is the first time that I'm ever using a servo. Like for the first time, I thought it was supposed to be start motor and stop motor, but then we realized it's like a different set of commands. So it's had to be like, set servo. And then, yeah, we were learning from that. But it roughly opens and closes, and then the belt moves. But the servo's right here for the time being. The servos work, but the gates don't open. The timing is like off. Basically where when this thing is, okay, when it does that. Okay, see? That's going to close the moment this thing opens. And then after that, after some time, it closes. But there's nothing in the code that would for like the safety measures, I made everything so it closes like after, stand 20 closes, stand 20 closes, stand 20 closes. So like after every argument for this gate, for this servo, I made it close on that servo, but that doesn't seem to work. It only closes at one specific moment, and that's after everything already, like all the marbles just went through, and then it just closes. But then on the aspect of the motor and the belt motor, where it sorts the marbles, that works as in the sense that if it's aluminum, right now it's aluminum, and then that drops down, and then it moves back to its starting position, which is just the white. And then if clear is sensed, it will move to the right 40, I would say, for like 3 seconds, and then it would drop the marble, and then it would move back 40 for 2 seconds, and then come back to the white position. So like white is our default position. And then, yeah. And then here's the code with basically if the sensor value picks up a clear marble, let me stop it real quick. If it picks up a clear marble, it starts this motor. Like first it moves the cups, basically it starts the motor, waits a few seconds, stops it at the clear marble, moves it to the right, and then stops it. After that, these things open up, and then drop it, and then moves back. Moves back to that position. Basically, this is plus 30, this is minus 30, and then after that if statement, we have the white marble, if it's white. So if it's white, it's always going to be, the white cup is always going to be in the middle, so we don't have to move the motor necessarily, so we can just open this gate and it just drops down to the white cup. We're only moving it so if it's clear, it's going to move the motor, and then if it's aluminum, it's going to move the motor, and it's all like in the right or the left side of the white cup. So for the aluminum, it's in the right side of the cup, which means that it's negative 30 first, and then plus 30. After that, for the clear marble, it's on the left side of it, so it's plus 30 to get it to that position of the cup in front of the dropper. And then after that, after everything goes through, basically where the marble falls to the cup, it moves back using negative 30. And then that's basically the code where it moves back and forth, and this thing opens and closes. But the problem with that is it's not going to let one marble at a time through the light sensor. But yeah, that is basically it.